Hello dear friends, today I invite you to crochet my amazing composition that consists of flower and leaf. And also you will see how to crochet them with beads and without them, and how to create a jewelry using different kinds of tools. As I said before, my composition consists of two small motifs. Flower has 5 petals and leaf has 2 sides that consist of 6 double crochet not finished. Please write comment below the video what you will get with my video tutorial and where you will use such kind of project. It is very delicate and in the same time very simple to make. You can use ball of yarn or leftover yarn. For work you need 2mm crochet hook, a ball of yarn, 160 meters in 50 grams. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. Also you need to find beads. In my case I use different colors of beads, and before the work I threaded beads onto the working yarn. I didn't count my beads, so I don't know how many you need to thread, and of course additional tools that you can find in any internet store. Let's crochet the flower. I count 5 beads. I will get 5 petals. Make a chain. Then draw all 5 beads. Then yarn over, make a chain with 5 beads. Pull a little bit. Then insert the hook into the ring. Make single crochet. Then I'm going to work with chain spaces. Make a chain of 3. Insert the hook between beads. Make single crochet. Well done. Then chain of 3 for the chain space. And single crochet into the ring. I insert the hook between beads. Make single crochet. Make a chain of 3 and single crochet between beads. Chain of 3 and single crochet between beads. And let's make the last chain space. Now insert the hook into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch and pull a little bit. The base for the petals and for the flower is ready. My flower will have 5 petals, and now I will show you how to crochet petals. Insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet. Make a chain, then double crochet. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have got 4 double crochet, then chain and make single crochet into the chain space. First one is ready. In total it should be 5 of them. I will begin the next one, then you should continue by yourself. Make single crochet, make a chain, Make 4 double crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make a chain and single crochet into the same chain space. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. After I have done all 5 petals, this is the back side. Let's look at the front. Let's complete this round together. After I have done single crochet, then insert the hook into the first single crochet, make slip stitch. Round is done. And my flower is ready. You can stop at this stage, but I will show you how to crochet the petal for this flower or leaf. I will call it a leaf. You can crochet leaf with beads or without it. And also you can change color of yarn. Make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Draw a bead. Yarn over the hook with bead. Make double crochet into the first chain stitch. I will count from the bottom and make double crochet. I do not finish this stitch. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then pull through all loops on the hook. The base for the leaf is ready. Make a chain of 2. Then yarn over the hook. I will begin from this side, then continue working on the next one. Let's crochet, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook from the back. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2 loops. In total it should be 6 such not finished stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm done. 6 double crochet, not finish. I hold all loops with my finger. Then yarn over, pull through first loop. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have got 2 loops on the hook. And while turning the work, I remove the hook. I change the side. Now insert the hook into the 2 loops. Remove the yarn to the back side. Insert the hook into 2 loops. Then yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the opposite stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. In total it should be 6 unfinished double crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hold all loops with my finger, then yarn over, pull through first loop, then pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 3 loops on the hook, pull through. My leaf or small heart is ready. Make a chain of 3, turn the work. I'm looking for the chain space, insert the hook into this chain space, make a slip stitch. I can cut off the yarn. My beauty is done. You can crochet such composition with beads and without them. Instead of double crochet with bead, you should make just double crochet. So that's it. My composition is done. It consists of flower and leaf. Flower has 5 petals and leaf consists of 2 sides. That is 6 double crochet not finished. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook and any color of beads. So, well, to create jewelry you need to have some tools. For example, you can make earring, use such kind of tools. All additional tools can be found in the internet store. You can sew two pieces together and as a result you will get amazing earring. Also, it could be perfect for pendant, or it could be part of big project. Also, you can use it like a brush. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. Please write comment below the video what you will get with my video and where you will use it. And if you like this video, please visit my YouTube channel. There are a lot of video tutorials how to crochet flowers and leaves. And also you can find how to crochet with beads a lot of projects. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. It was Elena Rugal. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.